Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, last week there was heavy rain in GTA, around 50 to 60 millimeter. It's too much, and a lot of people had complaints about flooding in basement. While flooding in basement can happen due to various reasons, one very common reason is egress window. I tell you what happens. Like this egress well, people don't clean it often, right? You always find lot of tree leaves, debris and all. But I recommend regularly clean it. Okay. Now a typical egress window, it has a pipe. You see this black structure? This is the foundation pipe and it connects to the foundation drain. And what its role is, like when water seeps in, it's gonna pass all the way through that and exit. So if, and you see it's gravel all the way around. The role of gravel is to act as natural filter and remove debris and other harmful items to seep into the pipe, because if your pipe is clogged, then it's gonna be like a aquarium. You don't want that, right? So what you're supposed to do, like regularly clean any tree leaves, debris. There are some now, I had cleaned yesterday, but still some came. But so at least a week or so, whenever you pass by, just take out anything that you can, put it in proper containers, and then sometimes maybe once 2 months or anytime, bring a bucket full of water, go inside, put it in that pipe and see how fast water is going in. If you see water is seeping very slow and it's oozing everywhere, that means there's a problem, something is clogged and that needs to be checked. If it is going fast enough and cleaning out everything, you are good. So you can rule out a possibility. Again, another thing, like windows should be properly caulked all the way around. That's important. And one more thing, you can also install fire compliant window well cover. It has to be fire compliant, because if there's an issue in the basement, this is the escape route. Your tenants or whoever lives there, they should be able to escape out. That's very important. So I have ordered that. Once it comes and get it installed, I'll show you that also. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to channel.